Alright, child, I'm about to get right into this video. Y'all see what we got right here, and y'all see what we got right here. Hold up. Y'all see we got going on right here, and I'm about to just see what I could do real quick. Turn traction. I ain't got traction all the way off. Let me turn traction all the way off. Hold on. I ain't no rookie or nothing, you heard? Let me turn traction all the way off. Let's see what. I think I'll be up in the grass when I'm right there. But this parking lot kind of small, I ain't gonna lie. But I got this big shit moving. Yo, I know y'all just seen that shit. I almost just crashed. Yo, my heart is pounding right now, y'all. I kid you not. If y'all could feel my heart is pounding right now. I almost macked into that tree. Yo, y'all gotta be careful. Yo, that was just crazy. Hold on, I'm about to turn around and go show my tire marks real quick. That was just crazy. That was just crazy. Hold on. Let me get this tire right here. Yo, that was crazy. Was crazy. Y'all almost maxed my shit. It's hard, yo. I'm definitely gonna go get me I'm gonna go get me a head mount. I think I got one though, but I need a head mount so these POVs I could just drive with two hands, especially when I'm trying to slide or something. Yo, this shit is crazy. Shit is crazy. Y'all see that? Hold on, just the window down. Yo. Alright, so I looked at it, I ain't gonna lie. I looked at it and I turned my truck around. But yo, look at my tire marks. I turned my truck around so I could see with some light. But look at my tire marks, y'all. This shit was off. If y'all saw real quick, this shit was off. I just crashed my shit. But when I look here, I don't see no mark or nothing, so I don't know. Like, I don't see no... Maybe this shit just bodied that shit or something. It ain't nothing. No, but it ain't no marks on my shit, baby. I don't know, but that shit definitely, my tire marks is, that's crazy. And that shit was off, like, That piece was off on the ground. I just put it back up, tried to hide it a little bit, but damn, that's crazy, chat. Ain't gonna lie, that's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, I definitely, it's crazy. I was looking at, let me put this shit, man. Put this shit back on. Put traction control regular on, yeah. But tell me why, yesterday I was at Walmart and I literally was looking at the head mount thing, because I've been trying to get back vlogging and stuff, and I'm over here like, yo, I need to be able to drive with both hands, and I need to stop holding the camera with my hand. So what if they still over there in that parking lot? I'm about to go to this parking lot and turn up over here. But I was just saying that I need to like be able to drive with my hands. I need to take off this, put this camera on a mount or something. And I was just looking at the head pieces yesterday, and it was like $24. Oh yeah, this lot, they ain't finished. They ain't do this lot all the way. Turn traction back off real quick.